Alrighty, we're gonna be playing mannequin today. So let's get into a social lobby. We can get a round started, and we're played this game a little bit. Well, not a whole lot. Throw stuff out of my pockets. Ooh, lobby. Alright, let's get a session. Here we go. Oh, what? I can't change my name. Oh, so. Yeah. Alright, lobby. Let's go. I'm ready. I don't know what I'm gonna be. I'm gonna start blasting. Sup, person. No, I know what you're trying to do. Stop it! Stop it! No, please leave me alone. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I can't run as fast. Oh, I'm gonna start it. Hey, I started it. I gotta survive. Leave me alone. Why do I try to make videos? Why do I try to make videos for YouTube? You're live streaming. I'm trying to film a video, and this is what I get jumped with. A and W for that one person. I'm trying to film a video, and this is what I get jumped with. A and W for that one person. Oh, I'm a mannequin. They'll never find me. No, stop it! Leaving. Going. You go that way, I go this way. No, get away. You creep. A lamp, I need this. No. I'm gonna go get this generator. You can't stop me. Yes. Come on, okay, bro, I need your help. I'm trying to... Oh, gosh. You're still chasing me. Oh, well. Well, I tried. I'm dead. He shot me. Gosh, he shot me in the crotch. It was personal. He's right around this corner. Right behind you, Nikki. He's right behind you. Oh, there's both of them. You can get them. Oh, never mind. They found you. Where's the other guy? I can open this door. I'm gonna close it back. They're both right here. They're both right here. He's right beside the door. Get him. Get him. Wait, I'll open it for you, and then you run in. You rush in. He's right there. The dash. No. No, he knows. He knows. GG. I hear his hand. What do you do? Shoot out of 3 units? Yeah. Alright, watch this. Watch this. Man, 1v. Oh, I didn't continue for the 1 viewer, yeah? No one homie. Oh, 21 minutes in. My nose is itching like crazy. Hey. Is anybody there? Anybody there? Alright. Sucking the juice out of it? No, no. There we go. Alright. I'm getting all the... What the? Hey, we won! Hey, GG! Did all of them... No, one person leave? They did. Somebody... The whole team left. Oh, start it! Start it quick! Well... Stop motion. Whoa. Guys, look, I'm fully human. See, human. See, human. Yeah, I mean like full stop motion animation. Enough, sir. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna start it. I started it. I don't know, but I want to shoot. I want to blast. I want to go. Bah! I want to go. Bah! You know, you need that. I need that gun. I need that laser gun. I need a laser gun. Generators activated. Ah. Oh well. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta get those generators. Cause I'm a Terminator. You heard nothing. B. To be or not to be? Hey. Wow. We'll win. Watch me win. Oh, watch me win. Watch me win. Oh man, good gosh, this takes ages! Oh no, we've been found out. Boys, we've been found out! FBI, open up! I'd missed. Oh, you got him. Hey, we won. We won. I was the distraction. Hey, we won. I feel like this is too quiet. I need some music up in here. Okay, fine. Sorry. Let me see. Alright, generator B. I'm gonna hide around the corner. You suck the juice out of the generator. I'm gonna hide on the corner right here. Or I'm gonna hide outside the door. They'll never expect that I'm outside the generator room. They'll never suspect I'm outside the generator room. They'll never suspect that I'm right here outside the generator room watching my homie get the generator. Like, who's gonna suspect that? This is 900. I'm gonna look at my post. I'm gonna check my post. Nah, man. It's a little suspicious. Hold on. I see that. The fact that you're now dead. Oh dear. We got it.
Generator down.
Alright, where are we gonna migrate? We gotta migrate to C. Oh no. Oh. I got one.
Mission failed.
I don't know. Oh, we won. Hey. We won. We did it. What's that song? Yeah, what's that song that goes, we did it. We did it. We did it. Don't remember where that's from.
Generators activated. Scanning for aliens.
What's my... Oh! Oh, he's dead. Alright, look, 100% he's gonna miss that step and he's gonna fall. %, that's my bet. What am I? Make it blue. Alright, I'm gonna follow you this time. When you spread your arms out, you look like a chicken, like you're doing the chicken dance. Where is the generator? Oh. That's right. Alright, then again, I'm gonna do it again. Alright, I'm gonna wait right here. I'm gonna wait right here. I'm gonna wait for him. And I'm gonna, when he least expects it, whatcha! Like, hey-ya! Go ride chop him on the back of the neck. I gotta reset. Whoa. Oh. Oh dear heavens, where am I? Oh. Come back, my soul. Anyone know where they are? Wait, is it just one guy? Oh no! Duder! He's dead. Oh no.
Alien scan is
Oh, we'll
halfway
get him.
complete.
Witchy.
Warning.
Witchy, this would
Generator
be
down.
very nice if you get this, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna come with you. I don't know where they're at. No, Witchy, we gotta move. Witchy, come on, we gotta move this way. I'm gonna go this way. Close the door behind us. Never mind, don't do that, I guess. Oh no! Witchy, I'll come for you. Don't give up. Don't give up, I'll come for you. Do you know where he is? You see him? Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna move a little bit. Alright, I moved a little bit. Oh. Okay, alright. I got this. I see his laser. I'm gonna just wait it out. I got this. I got him. I could. What? I didn't know there was 2 of them. I want him to revive. Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Ah, did I get him? Ah, I barely just saw him so close. Oh, he had a shield up. That's why. A shield. Dang. I tried to reach. I almost hit the wall. Trying to reach to grab him.
Generators activated.
Alright, let's go.
Scanning for aliens.
You know what? I'm going a different path. Take the stairs because I'm not a big bag. Oh, I didn't even do that. I'm gonna dance my way. See, we are here now. Where is the C generator? That would be useful. Take a time to go. Not there. I'm gonna close that door back. Okay. I hear one of them. I hear one of them. Oh, hey, duder. I'm coming. Oh, wait. I'm gonna wait the corner. I'm gonna wait the corner. Alright, I'm waiting the corner. I'm waiting the corner. Oh gosh, I think he knows this is me. Oh, he's right there. He's coming around the corner. Nah, step a little bit. Nah, he didn't step in within my range. He didn't step within my range. Can you come get one? I need you to sneak up the one behind if I can get this one. Never mind, wait, I might be able to do it. Oh, I got both of them! Oh, they both missed. They both missed me. I got them. Yeah. Ah. Dang, I feel like we're cooking this round. I locked in, I'm good. Hey. Yeah. Oh, hey, TY guy. Yo, I wanna shoot a gun. I wanna go pa! I wanna pa pa pa! You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I feel like just for the fun of it, the gun should have looked like a revolver. I don't know why. But just for the fun of it. I am.
Generators
Dang
activated.
it. Alright, well.
Scanning for aliens.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to cook again. I gotta cook. Cook. Anyway. I'm gonna go up here. Actually, wait, everybody on? Last stop. To the top. There we go. Wait, no! Well, we left him. I'll send it back down for him. There, he got it back. I have a feeling they're right here somewhere. So let's just sneakily place ourselves. There we go. There's A. B is above us. B is above us? Oh, I don't know. That sounded weird. Oh, there's one right here. Right outside this door. This probably doesn't work. Yeah, I think there's one right here too. I think in the direction of C. Did they just open a door? Well, TY guy, get out the way. You're gonna get shot. Oh gosh, oh no. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to ditch y'all. How come? Did you get him? Oh no, where is he? Where is he? I'm gonna come for him. I'm gonna come for him. I'm gonna come for him.
Alien scan is halfway complete.
You, my brother! Oh gosh, oh gosh. I'm good. Oh, he died. Okay, I think I'm good. Well, who's the only one? Who's the ones left? Who we got left? Oh, it's just me! Where? I don't see it. Oh, ow. Ah, oh, 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 oh. Anyways. I got an idea. I have an idea. They threw the thing. No, I'm gonna go for a different generator. Hold on. Hold on. No, no, I got this. I got this. Watch. No. I can pull this off. I can pull this off. Watch. No, believe me. Believe me. Look, they got the advantage, right?
Alien located.
Right? Watch this. And so they know where I am. What if I want? Yeah, but here's the thing. So they know where I'm at, right? They're coming for me, right? What if I want them to come? What if I want them to try to even get me? What if I laugh as I tag them and freeze them? Okay? Okay? It's called confidence. Oh, well, okay. I tried moving. Ah! Waiting for him. But anyways, it was a good attempt. I died. I mean, I was hyping myself up. Get the hype. Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, bye. Since you think so bad. Alright, I'm going. Now! Give me, put it back up. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We have to put aside our differences, but we can win. Hallelujah. Guys, I don't know what kind of generator this is. This is generator. This ain't no generator I've seen. I mean, either way, they're gonna shoot one of us. Oh, there he goes, putting duplicate. I'm gonna go right here. Oh no, he's right there. He's right there. Do not open that door. He's right behind that door. Oh gosh. Yo, the other one's right here. I'm gonna rush him. I'm gonna rush him as soon as I got my dash back. I'm gonna rush him. Yoo-hoo. Ah, I tried to get him. It didn't work. I failed. He's right there. He's camping the door. I almost had him. I almost cooked him. He is cracked out of this game. Is out of his mind. Oh, hey, cooked him. Cooked him. We won. We win. Still waiting. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna win this time. I'm gonna pull it in close. Y'all go that way, I go this way. I'm going to the jungle. This reminds me of that one cafe at Disney. What is it? I think it's literally called the Jungle Cafe. I'm going to C. I'm gonna do C. Because they're not gonna expect that, you see. See, they're not gonna expect this. No, they're not even gonna know it's me. Look, I'm already done. I'm already 1 bar away. What? I'm 1.5 way done. I got a quarter left. I'm about to get the first one, y'all. I'm cooking. I'm cooking so good right now. I'm at C for cooking. So that's what I'm doing. Boom. You're welcome, fellas.
Warning. Generator down.
Oh no!
Scan is halfway complete.
Ah, I got one, I think. No, I did not. I tagged him. I tagged him. I tagged him. You can't say nothing. You can't say nothing. I tagged him. Say nothing. Say nothing. Anyways.
Generators deactivated.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What the frick? Oh, Hey, I figured it out. Alright. Hey guys. Hi guys. It's me. I'm back. I'm back. I'm dead though. I'm dead. So you're welcome because you would have not been able to done that without me. I want to clarify that. You would not be at the point you are without me. What? No, I'm here. Hi. I'm watching the show. Here, get on. I'll send you up with my ghost powers. Okay, I'll send it up with my ghost powers. Oh. Wait, they send it back. Oh, they won't. Oh, let's send it back. Guy, I'll just keep sending it back. I'm bringing it down. I brought it down. Oh, and they're bringing it back up. They brought it back. No, it won't let me do it. Oh, they're right here. Ah! They got stuck on the stairs. Wait, I'll bring you back to life. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Right, I forgot I'm dead. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he got a shield. Oh, cooked. Bro, cooked him. I'm playing mannequin. Go download it. Why am I still a mannequin? I want to be an agent. You know, like Inspector Gadget, my hero. Yes, Inspector Gadget, you know. What am I? Alright, watch. Look, I'm gonna go here. They're here already. They're here already. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna cook them. I'm gonna cook them. I did. I cooked them twice one time. Where are they at? Where are they at? They just... Yeah, the one's over here. Oh, did you get him? Oh my gosh, I'm coming. I'll cook them both, don't worry. I got it! I told you I'd cook them. I told you. Who said I couldn't cook? I'm with you, man. Okay. Who said I couldn't cook? Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Which one was it? I don't remember. It was you, wasn't it? Who said I couldn't cook? Who said it? Who said it? Who said I couldn't cook? I cooked. No. Anyways. Please make me an agent. I just want to be an agent. Look how cool it looks. Agent, give me a gun. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. I got it. Let's go. No, homie, just trust me. We can cook them now. Come on. Don't trust me. Don't leave. Trust me. I mean, you got the scanner. I got the gun out. Yeah, but I am. So we'll be fine, bro. Trust. Have trust. 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 I don't know why you run faster when you have the scanner out. I got a gun. I wish I had a rifle. You know, like a rifle or a shotgun, a sniper rifle, something. Like the pistol's cool and all, but yeah, I'm going through this door. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna throw a radar right here. No, that's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do either. Okay. Let me get it. How do you get shield? Oh, by touching this? Oh. I hear them. They're somewhere. Oh, here's one dead one. I killed him.
Alien scan is halfway complete.
Alright, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna freak open that door. Oh, I see him. Ah, I got him!
Aliens neutralized.
I told you I could cook. Told you I could cook. Cook so hard. Yo. Oh. Anyway, enough for the dancing. What if I just shot at a random mannequin and it happened to be an alien? I'm going. Yeah. I'm gonna open all the doors. Oh, I saw one. That one. Nope. Oh, I got him right in the back of the head. Bam. Hey, bro, I told you we could cook. I told you we could cook. No, he was for real teabagging dodging right now. The teabag dodge. Alright, come on, I told you we could cook them. Alright, you go that way, I go this way. But myself. What? Oh no! Oh no, don't die! I told you to not eat an alien rock. Just know that. Oh, thank goodness I'm not at B. Oh, dang. Well. Why? Thank goodness. Actually, my scanner's not showing nothing. So they're probably at C. You know, my scanner's not going off. Just hanging out. Well, I'm gonna go to C just in case. I feel like something's about to just come and grab me. It'd take me to the bottom pits of Earth. Oh, I'm getting a signal. I think they're at sea. They're at sea. I got a signal. Oh, never mind. I'm not getting a signal anymore.
Alien scan is halfway complete.
Well, I have to find them. I know I had a signal, but now I don't. Oh, wait. Nope, never. Well, I'm just gonna watch the timer go down. It's like Happy New Year's right now. We got a minute till Happy New Year's. Watch this. I'm gonna shoot it this way. I'm okay. Alright, I'm gonna shoot it this way. I'm gonna shoot it that way. Nope, they didn't get none. Or about the way. They're not getting any generators. I think they're just staying at their spawn, or that, or in a random location we can't find them in. Oh my goodness, where's the timer? Oh, 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's.
Scanning.
Where are they?
Alien
I see
located.
one. I see both of them. One's over. Okay, you go for the right one. I go for the left one. Actually, never mind. I'm going for the right one because he's right here. Alright. Got him. He thought he could dupe me. Where's the other one? He's right there. You're coming up on him. He's below you. Got him. Let's go. We both got him from the low ground and the high ground. Take this and one in the crotch. Oh man. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call this a video. Or should I do one more round? Do you think I should call it a round before I end the video? I might just. What? I don't know. Yeah. Alright, bye. I'm going. Wow.